a hurricane. Getting hit by one. And it's getting so bad. Look, my neighbor's fence fell down. And someone's gutter fell down over there. Someone's gutter. And I swear, like, first time we actually ever get a hurricane. But it is really, really bad. It's crazy. Like, it gets a lot worse. Like, way worse. Sometimes. And the power's out. So we can't do nothing. And there's a leaf there. Leaf going. Someone's car alarm's going off. It's crazy. Isn't it, Nanny? And this is going on forever. My nanny's car has to go over there because that gutter was going to go flying over there and hit my nanny's car. So she moved it. To hit it. What are you getting up from up there, Nanny?
I went to close one thing and the other thing came undone.
Oh. It's bad. My hurricane vlog.
Try and move the brush to the right and left. And a big specky spider. Really? Yeah, I need a brush.
And that one's gonna fall.
No, I can brush it.
What? Spider? Where is it? Where is it? Oh, mommy. There's look. What? You mightn't see it, but it looks like a freaking dot. Where is he? There we go. He is my idol. It's so freaking scary.
Oh, I took the mop off.
Oh, it's going crazy again. This is crazy.
Oh, God.
Make a peeve me. They're really like angry now because the back garden is gone a mess. Like we had my grandest shed toppled over and it's like metal. Do you see that? Is that the bag? That's a bag. You spin me. Oh look, that's a leaf. That's a bag. That bag has some moves. It's really, really bad though. And I mean bad. It's just it's the worst earthquake we had since 1950. And this is like the second hurricane we ever had. This hurricane started in South America, so yeah. And after starting up my channel again, deleted all my videos, just starting it again. Babushka. This video is pretty boring, but it's fun. Now for zombie, my granddad's car is parked over there. Oh, do not look at the thing, but there it is. My nanny's is there. And then there's there. And that's their fence. You can probably see it wobble. Go. Yeah. Seeing it wobble. Well, let me see and zoom in and get this wobble action. It's like it's like a tornado. Their fence fell down. Look, we don't have a fence. That tree's gonna fall. Like, look at some of the trees. It's really bad. Someone's car alarm is going off. I'm making a video here. Please shut up your car alarm. Thank you very much. He didn't actually shut it up, but he will soon. Car coming. Woo! And then there's the fence. Someone's gutter fell off too. Good. And it is crazy. I mean, crazy. Whoa, there's a plastic bag. Flying. Wee. Okay guys, this is the end of this tornado video. And I will catch you in the next one. By the time you see this, it'll be a few days after, or maybe like a day after, because I have no internet connection, so I cannot put it up now. But yeah, so see you in the next video.